Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Your Walmart Associate Discount Card for 2025 is a fantastic way to save on almost everything you buy. This special card is a core benefit offered to eligible Walmart and Sam's Club associates, and it's designed to help you make your paycheck go further. Imagine instantly saving on groceries, home goods, and many other items you regularly purchase. It's a tangible way Walmart supports its team members, helping you keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Curious about when your card activates? Most new associates become eligible for their discount card after completing 90 days of continuous employment with Walmart or Sam's Club. Your personalized card will then be mailed directly to the home address on file, so double-check your HR profile to make sure it's up to date. Once it arrives, there's no complex activation process. It's ready to use straight out of the envelope. It's a seamless way to start enjoying your savings. Using your discount card in a Walmart store is incredibly simple. When you're ready to check out, whether at a regular register or self-checkout, simply scan your physical discount card or show the digital version from your Me at Walmart app. It's important to do this asterisk before asterisk you make your payment, so the system can properly apply all your eligible savings. You'll see the discount reflected instantly on your total, making your shopping experience smoother and more affordable. Your savings aren't just for in-store purchases. You can also use your discount card when shopping online at Walmart.com. Just make sure your card is linked to your online account for seamless application of discounts at checkout. However, it's important to know there are some exclusions. Items like firearms, alcohol, and tobacco products are typically not eligible for the associate discount. Additionally, gift cards, most optical products, and prescriptions are usually excluded. Always check the specific terms for the latest details. To make the most of your discount card, always keep it handy, either the physical card or the digital one in your Me at Walmart app. This ensures you never miss out on savings. Remember, this exclusive benefit is for your personal use as a valued associate and cannot be shared with others. It's truly one of the great perks of working here, providing real financial benefits on your everyday shopping. We hope this guide helps you confidently use your card and enjoy every saving opportunity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.